Hey girls, it's Gracie with WTI. If you're looking for a cute and casual dress for this summer, then definitely check out this one from ETCYY. The very first thing that caught my eye was the colors of this dress. So this is the striped -1 design in small, and I absolutely just love the blend of all the colors together. This is now my new favorite casual dress this season. So it's made out of a cotton and polyester blend, which makes this dress so soft and super duper comfortable. I love that it's not restrictive at all, especially during the summer. We don't want a dress that's super clingy or skin tight. So that's why this dress is perfect for summer. There's a little bit of stretch to it as well. Plus it has these drawstring ties that I can cinch tighter around the waist if I want a more fitted look. I love the fact that it's lightweight and the fact that it's not see-through at all. It's perfect to wear as a dress alone, or I even wore it as a bathing suit cover-up as well. So I'm about 5'3" tall, and it comes to my mid-thigh area. It has these 2 pockets in the front, which I used to keep my chapstick in, which was really convenient for me. And I also just love these 2 little ties that go over my shoulders, giving this dress a more cute and summery flair. I literally wear this dress all the time now. It's just so comfy and it's so easy to just throw on and head out the door. So I would highly recommend this to all my girlfriends, but that's just my point of view.